In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Gemini to plan a vacation from Tokyo to Singapore, focusing on an interesting feature that makes your travel planning easy and efficient. Whether you're planning for 2 adults and a child and looking to explore food, city views, nature, and have fun in Sentosa, Google Gemini has got you covered. Let's dive into how you can use this tool to create a seamless itinerary for your dream trip. First, open up your web browser and go to Google. Once you're there, you'll need to type in Google Gemini into the search bar. Now, its intuitive design makes it easy to find, and you'll notice that the Gemini website appears right at the top of your search results. Go ahead and click on the link to enter the Google Gemini website. Once on the Gemini website, you'll want to start by creating a prompt. Imagine you're crafting a wish list for your upcoming trip to Singapore. For this example, we're organizing a 5-day mid-range adventure for a family of 3, 2 adults and 1 child. We're focusing on immersing ourselves in delicious local food, taking in sprawling city views, enjoying nature, and having plenty of fun on Sentosa Island. In your prompt, you'll also want to emphasize finding efficient routes, discovering hidden hawker gems, and ticking off lots of iconic sites on your journey. This prompt setup is crucial for Google Gemini to generate an itinerary that fits your specific travel desires. Once you're happy with your prompt, take a moment to review it. Ensuring all your interests and logistics are clear can make a big difference in the accuracy of the itinerary. Google Gemini will generate for you. Your carefully crafted prompt ensures the itinerary includes elements that you and your family will truly enjoy. After setting up your prompt, simply find the Submit button on the page and click on it. When you do, you'll set Google Gemini to work, using its unique algorithms to process your request and design a personalized vacation plan tailored to your interests and preferences. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've seen how to utilize the power of Google Gemini to craft a memorable and customized vacation itinerary from Tokyo to Singapore. This tool is incredibly user-friendly, making travel planning stress-free. Whether you want to focus on adventure, leisure, or culinary exploration, Google Gemini helps organize your journey efficiently, ensuring every day of your trip is just perfect. Enjoy your travel adventure and happy planning.